When you log in to MDaemon Remote Administration, the status page provides an at-a-glance overview of the status of the MDaemon service and queues, the amount of available disk space, and a link to stop or start the MDaemon service when needed. All configuration settings are conveniently located along the left-hand side. This provides an easy way to add or remove accounts, update your MDaemon domains or mailing lists, or add your own custom branding images to MDaemon's webmail client. Use the message search feature to locate messages by keyword within a user's mailbox. You can then simply double-click on a message to view its source data or related logs. Traffic and mailbox charts provide a color-coded breakdown of messaging activity. Simply hover your mouse over a point on the chart to view the message or session totals for that specific day. Use the Setup menu to perform a variety of tasks, including adding or removing domains, configuring archiving, or setting up public and shared folders. The Mobile Device menu gives you convenient access to all mobile device management settings, including ActiveSync client settings, device policies, and fine-tuning option. And with access to MDaemon's powerful spam filter, you can use remote administration to adjust all spam filter settings, including heuristic analysis, Bayesian filtering, blacklists and whitelists, and much more.